Joobsy Rhymes.
In a lovely green forest, not too far from here, there lived a very burpy bear. He burped all day, he burped all night, and gave all the animals a terrible fright. He wasn't mean, just full of bubbles. But those burps, oh, they caused lots of trouble. He'd shake the trees with a mighty sound. A big loud burp that shook the ground. "Why so burpy?" the chipmunks cried. "It's just my soda," the bear replied. "I love the taste, I can't resist. Forest Fizz is at the top of my list. It's fizzy, it's sweet, it's bubbly and bright. He sipped it morning, noon and night. From cans, from bottles, in a straw or cup. One gulp, two gulps, then a burp would erupt. The foxes fled, the squirrels would hide. The rabbits scattered far and wide. Even the owls flew off in despair. Not another burp from that fizzy bear. So the animals gathered one sunny day and kindly asked Bear, in a very gentle way, "Could you drink less fizz and more water, dear Bear? You'll feel much better and we won't get scared." Bear scratched his chin and gave a blink. "I've never tried plain water to drink." They filled up a cup from the sparkling stream. It shimmered and danced like a crystal clear dream. He sipped it once, then twice, then 3 times and 4. "Hey, this is nice. Can I have some more?" No bubbles, no gas, just a cool, clean taste, and no loud burps bursting through the place. Now Bear still drinks Forest Fizz now and then, but his favourite is water from the forest glen. Now the forest is quiet, calm and clear, with no sudden burps for anyone to fear.